Welcome to the College of Functional Wellness for those of you who are unfamiliar with us. This lesson that we're giving is part of our diploma training. Our kinesiology practitioners and our wellness practitioners get access to this as part of their training. We specialise in kinesiology, wellness, nutrition and emotional coaching. And all of the work that we do is from research, our clinical experience. We've both been in clinic for nearly 15 years now, and we've both been let down by the medical and the holistic model. So it's been an interesting process of developing this work, and our unique piece of work is the triangle of hormonal health. But we also have a very different way of looking at the pathway that someone goes through when they come and see a practitioner. And our specialities are blood sugars, stress, adrenals, hormones, digestion, immune and emotional transformation. And we do these lessons each month and across those different topics. And what is so interesting about what we do is how much those 6 pillars all fit together like a jigsaw puzzle.
Yes, they sound completely separate, but they're really not.
They're really, really not.